I've got a sinking feeling you're going to want to get one of these. Hey, welcome to another cool tool video. For this one, I'm going to be talking about this tool, which I picked up super cheap at a hardware store. It's just for countersinking. Now, if you're not familiar with countersinking holes, that is just removing the burr that happens on usually the underside of the drilled hole. And particularly if your drill bit isn't quite as sharp. So you want to remove that, particularly if you're going to be riveting the metal together or you don't want a little sharp surface or something like that. So if you could just zoom in here and see, so I've drilled this hole a little bit larger than I normally would just for the purposes of this video. And this is on the underside of it, and so there's that little bit of burr of metal. So I'm just going to take this tool, which you could also use an oversized drill bit, but the 3 flutes on here make it a little bit easier to cut off that burr by hand as opposed to just the 2 flutes on a regular drill bit. And so you can just hold the metal down and just apply a little bit of force with the tool, and it'll get into that hole. Slowly cut off the burr. Might take a couple times there. And then what it'll do is it'll just remove that edge, and then you have a nice safe surface that either you could rivet another piece of metal to flush, or it's not going to be sharp if you're touching it or something like that. So you can use oversized drill bits if you need to, but I found that this is just a great cheap little tool that I can just go in there and quickly remove a burr and get back to what other next process that I need to on the piece. So hopefully this is of use to you. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.